Oh, what's up guys? Another beautiful day in paradise again. So what I'm thinking for this video is I want to share with you guys why it's important to have a supportive group of people around you when you're first starting off with building your affiliate marketing business. So let's dive into it. So guys, in a nutshell, it's really coming down to it's hard to keep pushing on when the results aren't coming in. You know, if you're trying to make it by yourself in the affiliate marketing space and you're not getting results, you're doing this what you need to do every single day, but for some reason the results still aren't coming, it's draining. And unfortunately you can be like, oh man, this doesn't work, I'm out of here. That does happen. So if you have a supportive group of people around you, you know, who are going to help you and push you, you know, be around you when you are struggling, you will keep pushing through the hard times that you will encounter, because everybody goes through these difficult stages when they're trying to build their affiliate marketing, you know, business. It isn't easy. It does take a lot of work, and you need to be willing to push through the hard times if you want to succeed with it. So like for me, that's why with my guys, I'm always talking to them every single day, doing voice messages, inspiring them by, you know, doing videos whilst I'm out here traveling Thailand, you know, just to keep them motivated and keep them focused on, you know, the direction that they're heading that's going to eventually lead them to one day having, you know, their dream lifestyle. So if you're trying to make it by yourself, I definitely invite you to try and find a, you know, a supportive group of people that you can surround yourself with. So when times are getting tough, or you just need someone to talk to, you know, because maybe people around you at home aren't supporting you, they aren't, you know, there for you, they're just telling you, you know, come back down to reality, go get a job. Exactly what I went through. You know, people like that will just, they will stop you going after your dreams. It doesn't matter how much positivity you have around you. See, if you have like one negative person, that like outweighs all of the other positive stuff. So cut all the negative people out of your life as well. Alright, and just surround yourself with positive people, people who are going to bring out the best in you and really support you on this journey. Alright, because that, unfortunately, if you don't and you try and make it by yourself, unfortunately it ain't gonna happen, because when you do go through those difficult times, you will give up and you will quit and you will just, you know, accept it like, oh, this doesn't work. Alright, so find yourself a supportive community of people to surround yourself with that will keep pushing you on, and, you know, talk to them. Don't be afraid to actually, you know, if you're going through difficult times, if you've got questions about, you know, the affiliate marketing space and what you're going through, ask people. Don't be afraid to reach out, even if you're, you know, not part of my team or whatever. If you're struggling, just reach out to me. And, you know, if you've got any questions about anything, need any advice, you know, I like to pride myself on my ability to like motivate and inspire people, mainly through, you know, the lifestyle, I'm quite edgy, that I live, you know, because it seems to work pretty well. So yeah, don't be afraid to reach out if you are having issues. I am here to support and help as many people as I can. But if not, if you're looking for other people, you know, go and do that. But don't be afraid to reach out and ask people for help and advice, alright, because it will help you and it will help you succeed in the long run. Alright, so yeah, hopefully you got some value from this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so you're notified of all future videos. And as always guys, I will see you in the next one.